Hi dear students, welcome back to your chemistry class. Today we are going to start a new topic which is called classification of oxide. So we have studied in previous session about the oxide that they are we can have oxides from the oxidation of any element. So they are divided into two parts. First, we call them basic oxide or metal oxide. From their name, we know that they are produced from the oxidation of metals by oxygen. When a metal reacts with oxygen, then we will have the oxide of metals. Calcium with oxygen. Calcium is a metal. Calcium oxide is an oxide of metal. Sodium with oxygen, it will produce sodium oxide, which is an oxide of metal. There is a note. Oxide of metals react with water and produce bases. Here we say basic oxide. That's why we call them basic oxide, because when these oxides react with water, they will produce bases. So that's why we call them basic oxide. For example, sodium oxide react with water, and here we have sodium hydroxide, which is a base. Then the second one is acidic oxide or non-metal oxide, or the oxide of non-metal. So from their name we can guess the definition. They are produced from the oxidation of non-metals by oxygen. For example, carbon react with oxygen, so then we have carbon dioxide, which is an oxide of non-metal. So also, there is a note, the same. Oxides of nonmetals react with water and produce acid. So that's why we call them acidic oxide, because when they react with water, we will have an acid. Here, carbon dioxide reacts with water and produces acid. So that was all about the types of oxide. Now let's start with the nomenclature of the oxides. First, non-metal oxide. Here we have three steps that then how to name the oxides of non-metals. First, you should write the name of non-metal because it is made of two parts. First is a non-metal and there is an oxygen. So you should first write the name of non-metals. Then write the number of oxygen involved in the compound. For example, if it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any number of oxygen it does. If it has, no problem. You can use these numbers. Mono means 1, di means 2, tri means 3, tetra means 4, penta means 5. So at the end, write oxide. At the end, write oxide. For example, here, carbon is an element, the non-metal. Write the name carbon. Then the number of oxygen. How many oxygen do we have? There is only one, so we write mono. And at the end, we write oxide. The name is carbon monoxide. Second one, carbon. Again, how many oxygen do we have? 2. So we use di, carbon di, and then oxide. And at the end, nitrogen and 5 oxygens. And we don't care about the number of the nitrogens. That's not important. So be careful. Do not write the number of nitrogens. Nitrogen, how many oxygens? 5. Penta, and at the end, oxide. So that was all about the types of oxide and nomenclature of the non-metal oxide. If you have any question, you can comment down below. And for the next video, which is nomenclature of the metal oxides, subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.